Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will start the new chapter of your book, and that is chapter number 4. It is a poem and the name is Little Things, yani Mamuli Cheezein. This poem is written by Julia Carne, who was an American poetess, and there are only 2 stanzas in this poem. I will read one by one stanza and then I will explain it to you. First stanza. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. पानी के नन्हे नन्हे कतरे और रेत के मामूली से जर्रे इस दुनिया में वसी और इस समुंदर बना देते हैं, और ये सारे जर्रे मिलकर ज़मीन को एक बहुत बड़ी ज़मीन और दिलकश सरजमीन बना देते हैं. सेकेंड स्टैंजा. Little deeds of kindness and little words of love make our world an Eden like the heaven above. इसी तरह से हमारी हमदर्दी के मामूली आमाल और हमारे प्यार के छोटे छोटे बोल हमारी इस दुनिया को जन्नत का बाग बना देते हैं. The summary of this poem is कि everything in this world is important. They are not useless. Even the small drops of water can make the mighty oceans, and the small grains of sand make the pleasant and stretched vast land. Human actions and words are also important and have their effects. If we behave our fellow men kindly and speak gently, we can make a beautiful environment around us, and ultimately this world can be made a good and beautiful place like a paradise. This is the summary of the poem. I am also explaining it to you into Urdu so that you can understand it easily. کہ جس طرح بارش کے ننھے ننھے چھوٹے چھوٹے قطرے مل کر ایک وسیع اور سمندر بنا دیتے ہیں، اور جس طرح ریت کے معمولی معمولی چھوٹے ذرے ایک بہت بڑی خوبصورت زمین بنا دیتے ہیں، اسی طرح ہماری چھوٹی چھوٹی نیکیاں اور اچھے کام اس دنیا کو اتنا خوشگوار اور پرسکون بنا دیتے ہیں جیسے کہ جنت. اسی لیے کسی بھی نیکی کے کام کو چھوٹا نہیں سمجھنا چاہیے، کیونکہ یہی چھوٹی چھوٹی نیکیاں مل کر بہت بڑی خوشیوں اور سکون کا پیش خیمہ بن جاتی ہیں اور دنیا میں جنت جیسا پرسکون اور پرامن ماحول بن جاتا ہے. اس لیے ہمیں ہر وقت نیکی اور بھلائی کے کام کرنے چاہیے، یہ سوچے سمجھے بغیر کہ یہ کام چھوٹا ہے یا بڑا، یا اسے کرنے کا کوئی فائدہ ہے یا نہیں. This is the explanation of the poem. Now come to the written work. First of all, in the copy you have to write the introduction of the poetess, then we will do the summary or introduction of the poem, and after that the comprehension. Now first of all you have to write the heading of heading of introduction of the poetess. So write it. This poem is written by Julia Carne. She was an American poetess. She was born in 1823 in Boston, USA. This poem is a simple children's song to explain that even little things are important. This is the introduction of the poetess. Now come to the introduction of the poem or summary of the poem. This poem describes the importance of even little things, deeds and kind words. Everything in this world, whether little or big, is not useless. Everything has its own importance. Just like little drops of rain make a mighty ocean and little grains of sand make a pleasant land or a vast land, in the same way, humans' small acts of kindness and little words of love can make this world like heaven. If we behave kindly and gently with our fellow men, we can surely create a beautiful environment in this world and make this world a beautiful and peaceful place like heaven. One should realize that little things lay the foundation of big things. This was the summary of the poem. Now come to the central idea. The central idea of the poem is, the poem Little Things conveys the message that we should not consider little acts or things as unimportant. Every little act or thing has its own effect. Our little acts of kindness and love have their effects too. They don't go waste. If we practice love, kindness and sympathy in our life, we can make this world a paradise. This was the central idea. Now come to the comprehension, the question number 1. What is the idea behind the poem? Answer is, the idea behind this poem is that everything in this world has its own importance, no matter it is big or small. If there is no drop of rain or no grain of sand, there would be no water or no land at all. In the same way, if one ignores doing little deeds of kindness, this world would become deserted. So one should not ignore doing little things and should continue doing his efforts. This world would become a heaven on earth. This was question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, what is an Eden? How can we make this world an Eden? Answer, Eden means the garden of paradise where Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and his wife Eve lived. The word Eden is also used for a place of natural beauty. We can make this world an Eden by spreading love and kindness among people. The little deeds of kindness and little words of love are enough to turn this world into a peaceful and happy place like Eden. This was the second question. Now the third is, what is the importance of little things? Answer is, little things have their own importance, such as little drops of water make a mighty ocean and little particles of sand when get together make a huge portion of land. Similarly, if we consider little acts as important, we will face no problems in life and would be able to live a peaceful life. That was the answer of the third question. Now the last is reference to the context. The reference to the context is here. It is given to you. Question number 1 is, name the poem and the poetess of the above stanza. You can write it easily. You can see it in the introduction of the poem. And the second question, what things can make this world an Eden? You can write it, little deeds of kindness, love, or doing good deeds with our fellow men can make this world an Eden. In this way you can write your answer. And the question number 3, give 2 synonyms of the word Eden. Eden means Jannat, और जन्नत के 2 वर्ड्स आपको और बताने हैं. पैराडाइज लिख सकते हैं, हेवन लिख सकते हैं, और डिक्शनरी में से और भी कोई वर्ड इससे मिलता जुलता हो तो वो भी आप लिख सकते हैं. बस दिस वॉज अ वेरी स्मॉल पोएम एंड इट इज़ फिनिश्ड. नो exercises there in the poem. So till here it is finished, and inshallah we will start the next lesson afterwards. Allah Hafiz.